Here's the fuse. Yep, that is bust. All right, we need a fuse and we can start there. Okay, so I do not have one of these types of fuses. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that old fuse holder with one of these on a motor style, and then just put one of these, you know, one of these type of fuses in there, because that's the easiest way, because I don't want to run to the store. All right, as you can tell,